Cyberbullying, what you as a parent need to know. Cyberbullying is a serious problem that affects millions of people every day. In this video, we'll explore what cyberbullying is, how it affects its victim, and what you as a parent can do to prevent it. Cyberbullying is when someone uses electronic communication, such as social media or text messages, to harass or intimidate someone else. It can take many forms, including spreading rumors, sharing embarrassing photos or videos, or making hurtful comments. Cyberbullying can happen anywhere and at any time, thanks to our constant access to technology. This means that victims can be targeted even when they're at home or away from school. According to the Cyberbullying Research Center, as of January of 2015, 49 states had enacted bullying prevention laws. The problem is, due to the fact that bullying behaviors vary significantly along a continuum ranging from isolated, trivial incidents to serious and enduring torment, few can agree on the precise point at which a particular behavior crosses the threshold and becomes something that should be addressed in a courtroom. The effects of cyberbullying can be devastating. Victims may experience depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. They may even be driven to self-harm or suicide. Cyberbullying can be a painful experience, and unfortunately, it's more common than we realize. First Sight Guide reports on concerning cyberbullying statistics that show the scope of this rising problem. In fact, 7 of 10 young people will experience cyberbullying before they turn 18, and sharing screenshots to mock others is more and more common. It's important to understand the different forms cyberbullying can take, such as sharing screenshots of someone's status or photo to laugh at them. For many youth, their appearance is a common reason for being bullied. In fact, 61% of teens who report being bullied say it was because of their appearance. We can all take steps to prevent cyberbullying and create a safer online community and experience for our kids. Let's explore some tips for staying safe online and keeping our kids safe online as well. According to the article, Standing Up to Cyberbullying, Top 10 Tips for Teens, Hinduja and Pachin share tips for not only getting help in a cyberbullying situation, but also they share anti-bullying behaviors, such as never encouraging a bully. According to Jennifer Holliday in her article, Cyberbullying, there are several things that parents can do to help prevent cyberbullying, including monitor your child's online activity. Parents should be aware of their child's online behavior and monitor their social media activity and online interactions. This can help them to identify any potential issues or warning signs of cyberbullying. Parents should also teach children about digital citizenship, about responsible online behavior, including how to communicate online and how to interact with others in a respectful manner. They should encourage open communication and talk to them about what they should do if they experience or witness cyberbullying. This can help parents address the issue and provide support to their child. Parents should set rules and limits on technology use. This includes setting limits for screen time and setting guidelines for social media use. Use parent controls. You could use parent controls and monitoring software to help prevent cyberbullying and protect your child's online activity. Finally, be a positive role model. Parents should model positive behavior online and demonstrate how to use technology in a responsible and respectful manner. Would you like to learn more about cyberbullying? Check out the Cyberbullying Research Center for many helpful resources. And as always, if you or your child is experiencing cyberbullying, there are resources available to help. Reach out to organizations like the Cyberbullying Research Center or the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline for support and those helpful resources. Together, we can stop cyberbullying.